east from here, into the campus water study area, mostly on the Kirtland Air Force Base, that's being regulated now by these facilities. And then there's a bunch of, fairly old infrastructure in this area. This is the older part of town. So the South San Mateo storm drain, which forms the headwaters of the main San Mateo storm drain that I was telling you guys about reading about it, right? So the headwaters, are up here, and it receives flow from the Louisiana Gibson Pond, and then routes up, and then just continues